After every post on investment, one question that always follows is, how can I get started? This is why I want to show you in this video step-by-step process of how to invest in the capital market. I'm talking about investing in mutual funds, bonds, treasury bill, equity funds, stocks, and all manner of investment that you can find within a typical capital market. Let's get started. The first understanding you need to have is how the market works generally. The market is divided into two segments, or can I say there are two divisions in the capital market. We have the primary market and the secondary market. Think about the primary market as a place where producers, after manufacturing their product, they bring it to that space to sell in large quantity. So it means that before you can buy directly from the producers, you must have a reasonable level of capital. Just like Treasury Bill. Treasury Bill is an instrument that federal government use to raise funds for short-term projects. They issue that instrument through the CBN. So the CBN comes to the market with the Treasury Bill to sell. But for you to be able to buy from central bank directly, you need to have 50 million naira. Not a lot of people can afford that. Only institutional investors and big players. So those big players would usually be banks, asset management companies, or people that just have funds. They buy those instruments. When they buy it, they hold it and they can now resell. The place where they resell that instrument is secondary market. So I've bought for 50 million naira and I'm making an interest of 17%. Bring it to the secondary market for people that have 100K, 200K, 500K to invest. So it means that I won't be paying them up to 17% interest that I've gotten from the CBN. So that is how the primary market and the secondary market works. It works like that for stocks as well. When a company wants to issue stocks for the first time, it's called initial public offering. So people can buy those shares for the first time. They can now move to the secondary market and start to sell. So the next question is, I want to get started. I have 100,000 naira to invest. Where and how do I start? There are dealers in that market. Those dealers are called asset management companies. They license these guys to trade as asset management companies. They can receive funds from you and sell these instruments to you. If you want to invest in money market mutual fund, for example, you have to go to them and give them your fund. They give you that instrument. You hold for a while and you can return the instrument back to them and get your money plus the interest. So whether you want to invest in money market mutual fund, you want to do treasury bill, you want to do stocks or bond, the starting point is to locate a registered asset manager and open an account with them. I think this is simple enough. If there are further questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below and I will take time to answer them.